Hello everyone. I'm going to go over what a SharePoint hierarchy is. So first off, in SharePoint we have several layers of content and different servers, and basically this is what runs your SharePoint environment or your company environment. So in the beginning we have our server farm. So there are two types of farms that you can have. One is a single server farm, and the other is a multi-server farm. Within the server farm, you have the front web end server, which handles all your web page requests. Basically, if depending on how many users you have, you can have multiple web front end servers. So if you have thousands of employees, it's pretty inefficient to have just one web front end server. Then you have a application server, which runs all of your services in SharePoint or all of the applications. Then we have the database server, where you store all your data in, and you can use things such as SQL. So in a single server farm, we would typically have all these three: the web front end, the application, and the database server, just in this one server. And if your company is big or small, then it depends on the size of your company. So if your company is small, then that's fine. But if your company is big, then it's pretty inefficient to have all these three running in your single server farm. You would need a server dedicated to each of these, and in a lot of cases you would have multiple servers dedicated to these. Next is the web application. In the web application, what it does is it's a container to house all your content in your SharePoint farm. Next, we have the site collection. So in a site collection, it's also a container which houses all the sites and lists and libraries and pages. Next, we have sites. So that's pretty easy. They're websites. Now, websites are for sharing and collaborating between employees and the company, or they can even be used for end users also. Then we have lists and libraries. So lists and libraries are pretty simple. You have lists within SharePoint, where you would keep all your items organized by content type or columns. Then we have libraries. Libraries are like folders that you would put document in, like for example Word doc or Excel, or you can even put videos or images and PowerPoint presentation. So it's pretty customizable to what you wanted to do, but basically this is a SharePoint hierarchy. First you have the server farm, then you have your web application, then you have your site collection, then you have your sites, then you have your lists and libraries. So that is a SharePoint hierarchy. If you enjoyed the explanation, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and look forward to more videos and explanations or tutorials. Thank you for watching.